Good morning, guys. Welcome back to vlog. You need to subscribe to our post notifications and comment down below. Sorry, I got the hiccups, but excuse that. So anyway, so you know this channel. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below. I just got up out of bed. I'm so tired. Yeah, I hiccup in this video, so yeah. You guys requested it. What are you watching? I'm watching Big Much Clubhouse. That's always on Disney Junior. But Todd's not turning away or it on, so yeah. Oh, it's out there, hiccups. So, and then I'm gonna have some water or some juice to get rid of the hiccups. You guys requesting how you get rid of the hiccups. You guys been requesting that. So yeah, get rid of your hiccups. It's so easy. Is drink some water upside down, or slip your water or juice, or hold your breath too long, or hold your breath hard you can, or just scream there's a monster. So ways to get rid of your hiccups. So yeah, there's 3 options. Doesn't work, always one in place. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Get rid of your hiccups. You guys been requesting it, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this video. You guys did. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and vacation shout goes out to Emily. That's why my vacation always will be. Thank you for turn on post notifications. You'll be next vacation shout. You know what to do. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and see you guys on Thursday. Bye.